Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video gallery on Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to showcase multiple videos from your channel directly on your website, making it easier for visitors to browse and engage with your content without leaving your site. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to elfsite.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but the process is straightforward and only takes a moment. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can access all the widgets and tools Elfsite has to offer. Now on the left side of your screen, you'll see an option that says Add New App. Click on that and a search bar will appear. In the search bar, type YouTube Gallery and select it from the results. This widget is specifically designed to pull videos from your YouTube channel and display them in an organized, visually appealing gallery format. You'll now see various templates to choose from. Browse through them and pick the one that best matches the style of your Squarespace site. Once you've selected a template, click on Continue with this template. This will take you to the customization page where you can tailor the gallery to your exact needs. On the customization page, you'll notice a field labeled YouTube channel URL. This is where you'll paste the URL of the YouTube channel or playlist you want to display. Simply copy the URL from YouTube and paste it into this field. This step is crucial because it tells the widget exactly which videos to pull and showcase on your site. After entering the URL, click Publish. A confirmation message will appear and you'll see a button that says Close. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll be back at your widget dashboard where you'll see your newly created YouTube gallery. Next, locate the three dots beside the widget, click on them, and from the drop-down menu, select Embed Code. This will generate a unique code that you'll need to integrate the gallery into your Squarespace site. Click on Copy to save this code to your clipboard. Now it's time to switch over to Squarespace. Open your Squarespace site and click on Edit to enter the editing mode. Navigate to the section where you want the YouTube gallery to appear. Once you're there, click on Add Block. This will open a menu with various block options available. From the block menu, select Embed. An embed block will appear on your page. Click on the pencil icon on the embed block to start configuring it. You'll see an option that says Code Snippet, so click on that. Then click on Embed Data, which is where you'll paste the code you copied from Elfsite. Paste the code into the provided field. After pasting, click on Preview in Safe Mode. This allows you to see how the gallery will look on your live site without actually publishing it yet. It's a good way to ensure everything appears correctly before making it public. If everything looks good, click Save to lock in your changes, then click Exit to leave the editing mode. Now when you view your Squarespace site, you'll see your YouTube gallery embedded and ready for visitors to explore. And that's it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video gallery on your Squarespace site, making your content more accessible and engaging for your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.